This is my grandma's chihuahua, Snoopy. Aw, look, Snoopy tired. Snoopy is a girl. Isn't she pretty? With her big ears. Her and my pit bull Bella are like the most bestest friends in the whole wide world. Isn't that right, Snoopy? You miss Bella? Bella didn't come today, yeah? Bella stood home. Oh, you're so sweet, yeah? She's a pretty smart chihuahua. Every time I come, I have to rub her till my hands fall off. Oh, you're trying to bite my ring. You crazy dog. I guess you're rubbing your back on the ground, yeah? You can't reach me, you can't reach me, you're too tiny. Cosby, Cosby. She smells Bella. She's like, I know this dog.
I smell parsley.
Sit. Good girl. Can you sit, Snoopy? Good, Snoopy. Come on, Snoopy. Ah, you cheat. Something about my shoes. Can you sit? Oh, look at those ears. Look at the ears. Sit. Sit. Oh. Okay, say bye, Snoopy. Say bye.